Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about communication. Communication is more than simply the transmission of information. The term requires an element of success in transmitting or importing a message, whether information, ideas or emotions. The transmission of the message from sender to recipient can be affected by huge range of things. This include our emotions, cultural situation, the medium used to communicate, and even our location. The good communication skills considered to be employers around the world accurate, effective and ambiguous communication is actually extremely hard. Today we are going to learn about what are the different types of communication. Communication. Communication is a process that involves exchange of information, thoughts and ideas. Technology does wonders in communication fields. Communication is categorized into personal and mass communications. Personal communication. The exchange of information between the individuals is called personal communication. It includes post, telegraph services, telephones, mobile phones, short messages, services, fax, internet, email, etc. Personal communication system enables the user to establish direct contact. Listening. Being good listener is one of the best ways to be a good communicator. First one is postal service. The Indian postal network is the largest in the world with 1,55,000 post offices. Of these, more than 1,39,000 post offices are located in rural areas. The postal services was opened to the public in the country in 1837. The first Indian postal stamp was issued in 1852 in Karachi. Collecting and delivering mail is the primary functions of the department posts. It introduced the quick mail services in 1975. The quick mail services functions on the basis of the system postal index number code, which was introduced in 1972. The premium product includes the money order, e-mail order, speed post, express parcel post, business post, media post, satellite post, retail post, greeting post, data post, speed net and speed passport services. Telecommunication. India has one of the largest telecommunication network in Asia. Apart from the urban areas, more than 2/3 of the villages in India have already been covered with subscriber trunk dialing telephone facility, while international communication can be made through IST, international subscriber dialing. There is an uniform rate of STD facilities all over India. Telephone is a form of oral communication. It is considered very essential for the growth of commerce. It is the most preferred form as it provides instant communication. Mobile phones, fax and internet are the other personal communication used in the country. Mass communication system. Mass communication enables millions of people to get the information at the same time. It is a great way to provide education as well as entertainment. It helps in creating awareness among the people regarding various national policies and programs. The mass communication systems can provide the information to people in two methods. They are, first one is print media and second one is electronic media. Next one is electronic media. Radio broadcasting in India was started in 1923 by the Radio Club of Bombay. Since then, it gained immense popularity and changed the social and cultural life of people. It was named as All India Radio in 1936 and again it was renamed in Akashvani in 1957. It broadcast a variety of programs related to information, education and entertainment. Special news bulletins are also broadcasted on special occasions like sessions of parliament and state legislature. Television's broadcasting has emerged as the most effective audio-visual medium for disseminating information and educating the mass. Television network in India is known as Doordarshan, which started in common national program services and it is extended to the backward and remote rural areas. Internet and print media. Internet is the global system of interconnected computer network that use the internet protocol suite to the link devices worldwide. Social media are interactive computer mediated technologies that facilitate the creation and sharing of informations, ideas, career interests, and other forms of expression via virtual communities and networks. Print media. Newspapers are the most common but powerful modes of communication come under print media. India has many newspapers which carry information on local, national and international events to the people. Next one is satellite communication. The use of satellite is getting continuous and synaptic view of large area has made this communication system very vital for the country. Satellite images are used for weather forecasting, monitoring of natural calamities, surveillance of border areas, etc. The communication through satellites emerged as new era of communication in our country after the establishment of Indian Space Research Organization ISRO in 1969. Satellite system in India. Satellite system in India can be grouped into two. First one is the Indian National Satellite System and second one is the Indian Remote Sensing Satellite System. The INSOT, established in 1983, is a multi-purpose system for telecommunication, meteorological observation and for various other programs. The INSOT service are used for relaying signals to televisions, telephones, radio and mobile phones. It is also used for weather direction, internet and military applications. The INSOT services, the GSSAT services, Kalpana First, Hamsat, Edusat are the major communication satellite used for the communication purposes. GSAT 7A is the recent launch December 19, 2018 for communication programs. INSAT 1B launched on 30th August 1983 is the first communication satellite in INSAT series. Thank you students.